this round is called Global Food.
Hi guys, my name is Bilkis and I'm a Bengali from Kolkata and I'm such a big foodie, so hence a chef, and this is my passion which I'm holding from since I was in class 9, and I'm making a Turkish cuisine today, and because it's a global and I'm using the Swiss paratha and wrap which will go very nice with the Turkish cuisine. So thank you so much UpperCrust Show and sir for choosing me. Many thanks to you guys.
So Kasturi is a doctor also. Please tell us a bit about yourself. What are you doing?
Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Kasturi. I own a brand called as Bakeology Thani. So today in the Global Cuisine, I am doing North African cuisine. So I'll be serving a 3-course meal today.
Hi everyone, this is Rachna. Basically, I'm into Bihari cuisine because that's my expertise. And but I do a lot of curries and biryanis and kebabs, and my brand is Ambrosia Kitchen, which is based in Powai. Now today for Global Cuisine, I've given a fusion to the international dishes, like little bit of Indianized to the global food.
So chef, this round is Global Food.
Okay.
So what we are saying is that, home chefs we are associated with regional Indian food, and that's fabulous because they brought it back to us. But with things opening up, I think people are also looking for diversity, right, in food.
Correct.
What's your experience?
Well, I think India is going to be on the global stage for sure, and thanks to all these lovely people who are on the covers of UpperCrust, because they're taking the Indian food scene much higher. And I'm sure that in your travels you've seen that how regional Indian food is now taking the center stage, whilst it used to be our own ghar ka khana before, but now it's taking the center stage. So even the chefs are realizing that there's much to be done with regional food. And I think globalization of localization is the way to go now and moving forward. That's what I feel.
Keeping in mind the global cuisine, I've done a combination of the basic dishes of all the regions of North Africa. To start with, I have done a drink which is called as Sharab-e-Rumman. The next thing that I have presented is a mahajuba, which is an Algerian street food, which is like a pancake or a crepe.
Today I chose Turkish. In Kolkata, if you go, people are fond of kebabs and they just love those kebab rolls and all. And specifically this kofte which I made, this is kefte because Turkish name is kefte, but Indians we would say it keema kofta. And this is a Otobon sharbat which I prepared. This is from the 19th century.
I do a lot of international cuisine, but this is something which I've really tried my best doing. So these are like butter garlic prawn cocktails, which I've given a fusion. This is basically in Bihar we call pitta, and this is sweet and sour pumpkin. Now this is spinach pepper mutton, which I've served on corn kernels.
Every single dish that was put out was definitely global, definitely thought through, and definitely had depth of knowledge inside it because the flavors were speaking. Kasturi made a lovely North African cuisine which is very different. Very honestly, as a chef, I have never visited North Africa and neither have I traversed with the food there, but the way she told the story and the way she has presented the food is just gorgeous. The food is new to me, but the flavors aren't. Flavors are very real. The drink was so refreshing. The dessert, very new to me. It's almost like a cookie, but not a cookie. And talking about your main course, I love the sauce. I'm really, really happy that you did something out of your comfort zone, and it really is seen in your plates. Thank you. Talking about your food, madam, Turkey. How happy are you with the dishes that you put up?
थोड़ा सा हीट का डिफरेंस था. मैं ट्राई कर रही थी नीचे ऊपर रखने का. हो सकता है, आई डोंट नो सर. आप ही बताइए, आप शेफ हो.
About her food, you know, when I was tasting that, she's chosen difficult dishes. She's chosen restaurant-style dishes, which are difficult to execute in an atmosphere like this. Generally, a kebab like this should have been marinated for at least 12 hours, and then it will become juicy. So she did that. She took that effort to kind of, you know, go the extra mile, go the understanding route that, you know, this is how it should be done. But the whole combination of a dish was great. The only thing is that a salad must always look pretty. Always.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So I know कि जल्दबाजी में आपने कर दिया. वो थोड़ा सा prettiness उसमें आता. Taste was amazing. Both the dips were amazing.
Thank you, sir. Thank
And
you, sir.
your drink, I am taking this in my restaurant menu, and then Kalyan even in the book, and saying this in front of everyone.
Thank you, sir. I'm so.
But the credit is hers. It's her picture, her dish, her. This is beautiful. This is
Thank
amazing.
you, sir.
This is really good. Talking about your food, madam, impressive. Why? Because your presentations are so good. I used a wooden takeaway spoon, and the meat was falling off. The dish composition is something that, you know, I could have worked a little more upon. Your prawns, I mean, the way you presented it, amazing.
Thank you, chef.
It's showing that the level of home chefs is no longer to what it used to be taken lightly. I think homes in India are no longer just homes of dal, roti and chawal. Can we have a round of applause for all three of them? Because all three of them have put their heart out on the plates, really speaking. In this small competition, the person who took half a step ahead, but the winner is Rachna.